What is it that makes a leader a leader? Is it their charisma, their ability to inspire, or perhaps something deeper within their psyche? Leadership, it's a term we often hear, but what does it truly mean? Is it a set of skills, a personality trait, or perhaps a mindset? It's an intriguing concept, one that has been the subject of countless studies and discussions. Leadership isn't just about being in charge or having authority. It's about guiding a group of individuals towards a common goal, inspiring them, and empowering them to reach their full potential. Good leaders are confident and can make difficult decisions. They can inspire others, establish open communication, and encourage teamwork. Diving into the world of psychology, we can start to unravel the behaviors of leadership. Psychologists have identified several key traits that effective leaders tend to possess. These include self-confidence, determination, integrity, leading by example, listening to others, relationship-building skills, and the ability to communicate effectively. But it's not just about having these traits. It's about how a leader uses them to influence and motivate others. Consider some of the most successful leaders in history, people like Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, and Warren Buffett. Each of these individuals is unique, with their own strengths and weaknesses, yet they all share a common thread. They are effective leaders. Throughout this video, we'll delve into their stories, examining their leadership traits, and how they use them to achieve success. It's important to remember that leadership is not a one-size-fits-all concept. What works for one person may not work for another. Each leader has their own style, shaped by their experiences, their personality, and their values. Understanding this can help us appreciate the diversity of leadership and the importance of authenticity in a leader. Diving deeper into the minds of these successful individuals, we can start to uncover the traits and habits that make them effective leaders. As we explore the psychology of leadership, we invite you to join us on this journey, to gain insights into the minds of successful leaders and discover how you too can develop your own leadership skills. Follow along with our time-stamped key moments in the description below. We've broken the video down into chapters so that you can easily follow along or skip to a section that is of interest to you. Consider Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, one of the world's wealthiest individuals and a highly successful leader. His story is a compelling study of leadership, marked by a clear vision, an unquenchable passion for innovation, and a daring willingness to take risks. These traits have not only shaped his journey but have also redefined the technology landscape. Gates had the foresight to envision a world where every desk would have a computer, a radical concept in the 70s. His vision was not merely a dream. It was a vivid image of the future he was determined to create, a testament to his strategic thinking and forward-looking perspective. His passion for innovation is another cornerstone of his leadership. He didn't just want to create computers, he wanted to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. This passion fueled his relentless pursuit of development and growth, pushing the boundaries of what was technologically possible. Gates's willingness to take risks is a trait that sets him apart. He dropped out of Harvard to start Microsoft, a gamble that many would consider reckless. But Gates saw an opportunity and seized it, despite the uncertainty. This boldness, this willingness to venture into the unknown, is a key factor in his extraordinary success. But his leadership extends beyond the realm of business. Gates is also a philanthropist, using his wealth to address global issues like poverty and disease. This sense of social responsibility, this drive to use his influence for the greater good, is yet another aspect of his leadership. And let's not forget his commitment to learning. Gates is an avid reader, consuming up to 50 books a year. This thirst for knowledge, this constant quest for improvement, is a trait that has undoubtedly shaped his approach to leadership. His story serves as a powerful reminder that effective leadership is not just about managing people. It's about inspiring them, challenging them, and unlocking their potential. Let's turn our attention to Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul, actress, and philanthropist who rose from poverty to become one of the most influential women in the world. Oprah Winfrey's story is one of resilience. Born into poverty in rural Mississippi, she faced numerous challenges and hardships throughout her childhood. Yet she never let these adversities define her. Instead, she used them as stepping stones, building the resilience that would later become a cornerstone of her leadership style. Resilience, in fact, is a trait often found in effective leaders. It allows them to bounce back from setbacks, to remain optimistic in the face of adversity, and to keep moving forward no matter what. This resilience, coupled with an unwavering self-belief, propelled Oprah from a local radio host to a global media powerhouse. But what truly sets Oprah apart as a leader is her empathy and ability to connect with people. She has a knack for understanding the human experience, for feeling what others feel, and for communicating in a way that resonates with people from all walks of life. This empathy is not just a trait, it's a tool, one that she uses to inspire, motivate, and lead. Oprah's empathetic leadership style is perhaps best demonstrated in her talk show, where she connected with her guests on a deeply personal level and in the process connected with millions of viewers around the world. Her ability to create this emotional connection, to make people feel heard and understood, is a testament to her leadership prowess. Moreover, Oprah's philanthropy is another reflection of her leadership. She has given millions to causes she believes in, showing that leadership is not just about leading, it's about giving back, about making a positive impact in the world. In essence, Oprah's leadership style is a blend of resilience, empathy, connection, and philanthropy. Each of these traits has played a significant role in her journey from a disadvantaged childhood to becoming a global icon. Oprah's journey shows us that leadership is not just about authority, but also about connection and resilience. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is another leader whose traits are worth examining. Born in the heartland of America, Warren Buffett has become one of the most successful investors in the world. His success story is a testament to the power of patience, analytical skills, and humility in leadership. Patience is not just about waiting, it's about maintaining a positive attitude while waiting. Buffett exemplifies this trait. He's known for his buy-and-hold investment strategy, which requires a great deal of patience. He doesn't rush into investment decisions. Instead, he takes his time to thoroughly analyze potential investments. This patience has paid off handsomely, earning him a personal fortune worth billions. Buffett's analytical skills are another key to his success. He's renowned for his ability to dissect company financials and make sound investment decisions based on his analysis. He doesn't rely on market trends or hot tips. Instead, he delves deep into a company's financial health and future prospects. This rigorous analysis has allowed him to identify undervalued companies and turn them into profitable investments. Lastly, Buffett's humility sets him apart from many other leaders. Despite his immense wealth, he leads a relatively simple lifestyle. He's not interested in the trappings of wealth. Instead, he focuses on his work and giving back to society. He believes in leading by example and treats his employees with respect and dignity. Buffett's humility also shines through in his willingness to admit mistakes. He's not afraid to acknowledge when he's wrong, a trait that has earned him the respect of his peers and the public. Buffett's leadership style may not be flashy or charismatic, but it's undeniably effective. His success is a testament to the power of patience, analytical skills, and humility in leadership. Buffett's example teaches us that humility and patience can be powerful leadership traits. But what if you're not a Buffett, Gates, or Winfrey? Can you still develop these leadership traits? Absolutely. The beauty of leadership traits is that they are not exclusive to a chosen few. They are skills that can be nurtured and cultivated by anyone willing to put in the time and effort. Let's delve into how you can develop traits like resilience, vision, and empathy. Firstly, resilience. The road to success is often paved with setbacks and failures. But it's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up. To build resilience, start by reframing your perspective on failure. See it as an opportunity for learning and growth. Embrace the challenges and remember that every setback is a setup for a comeback. Next, vision. Leaders don't just react to the world, they shape it. To cultivate a vision, start by identifying what you're passionate about. What change do you want to see in the world? Once you've identified this, articulate your vision clearly and repeatedly. Keep it at the forefront of your mind and let it guide your actions. Lastly, empathy. The best leaders are those who understand and value their people. To develop empathy, focus on active listening. When someone is speaking, give them your undivided attention. Try to understand their perspective and feelings. Another way to build empathy is through volunteering or helping others. This can broaden your perspective and increase your understanding of people's experiences and challenges. In conclusion, anyone can develop leadership traits. It's a journey of self-improvement and growth. It requires a commitment to learning, an openness to feedback, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. But the rewards are worth the effort. Remember, great leadership is not about being perfect. It's about striving to improve, staying true to your values, and inspiring others to do the same. Like and subscribe to join us on a journey of discovery as we seek to understand the fundamental aspects of human behavior, emotions, cognition, and relationships. Stay curious, and until next time.